is Ksenia, and something strange is happening here. There are a lot of people and delicious food. Let's go find out what's going on here. Wow. I smell meat. Please, say me about your corner.
Hi, I'm the president of the Bulgarian club. We have here traditional Bulgarian food, like we have meat, and of course we have options for vegetarian if you don't like meat, of course. We have something with pumpkin, with cheese, and so many options actually.
Our club is Georgian. It's a unique country in the South Caucasus, and we have wonderful and lovely culture, which I would like to share with you right now. It's kind of Georgian bakery. It's Ajavsky Kuchipuri. It's quite interesting bakery with egg inside of it. Also, there is some cheese, special Georgian cheese.
Yeah.
Very wonderful and quite tasty. You may taste it if you would like.
Wow, friends, I see you in the national costumes. Where are you from?
Ladies and gentlemen, here we are representing the amazing country of Republic of Moldova, the one that is so small that it's very hard to find, but when you find it, you can never lose. You can enjoy amazing wine, but here we also have delicious food, and we are happy to tell you anything.
As we can see, Wishka has everything, and we are waiting you in a new academic year. Bye!